see if I can get in over here before before Covenant gets over here to scale. Come on. Come on. Alright, just a slight bit forward in the Alright, hopefully that's in far enough. As long as I can get inside to get my load lock, I'll be happy. And I bet you this guy's going to drop his trailer in row E because he just came in from the guard shack. Yeah, it looks like it might steer a little too much. As best I can tell, I don't think the trailer needs to rotate that rapidly. I mean, it does need to rotate, but I think it's rotating a little too fast, and his putting way too much steering in for too long on that first part. Yeah, see what I mean? You had to pull forward to correct it. Straighten it out. There you go. Straighten your steers. Don't steer more. Let the trailer do its own work. Now, don't try to chase it too early either. I can tell he doesn't have a good angle there, and his trying to chase the trailer down is not going to help that. So I mean, just steer straight. Just steer straight, let the trailer do its own damn work. You won't have so much difficulty getting it into there. What's this guy doing now? Is he giving up and going for a different spot? I don't know if he's just resetting like way further forward than he needs to, or I can't see his backup lights, so if he starts to back up, if he's getting rid of the back, I won't know. Too late. You've gone too far up. Yeah, see, bad backing habits is why you couldn't get it into that spot. All you had to do is just make a couple little steering habit corrections and it would have been fine.